Hi everyone!
Hi, I'm Katie.
Okay, I'm Rika. So si Katie is from Bookbed and Silent Book Club. And then I'm with myself. Charot. Basically, I'm everywhere. Do events na gusto kong puntahan pero walang gumagawa.
Hi, my name is Hannah. I did watch the entire movie probably like 60 times. And my favorite one is the first book. There's this book called The Book of Wonder. The tragedy of growing up is losing first times.
Hi guys, I'm Zed. And my favorite book of the series and even the movie is Catching Fire. That was very good. Kill Your Children.
Hi, my name is Kit. My favorite book sa Hunger Games is The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes.
Hi, I'm MJ and my favorite is also Ballad.
You know, musical girly and late. The one that I remember picking up the most recently is
Perks of Wallflower.
Hi, my name is Patsy. My favorite out of all the books and book 1 pa lang ako nabasa. Finish it kaganina. Pilang movie, so medyo fresh pa sa memory. I'm a big romance girly. Abby Jimenez, yours truly, because I just like the doctor na storyline. May all the eyes and lagi ko nila-recommend ang Makunje. Very reflective siya. For people na who is still getting into sa reading, I would really prefer and would really say na Hunger Games through the first book.
Hi, I'm Demi. I'm an accountant. My favorite movie are yung Third, Mockingjay, Midnight Library.
My name is one thing that stood out to me, I guess, is when we brainwashed Tika, and if you've read Brave New World by Aldous Huxley.
Hi, I'm Roselle. I've read that a long time ago, so I don't remember anything about it. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Other than that, for this age group, Artemis Fowl. I'm Ria. I aspire to be tambay again. I used to be like that a few years ago, but now I'm a freelancer ulit.
I organize events na gusto kong puntahan pero walang gumagawa. I also work at the 3 Yards. My favorite is Catching Fire because yun nga, it's a pivotal point in the story. I recommended Days of the Morisaki Bookstore, but I got reminded by the other recommendations that my favorite talaga na series is Chronicles of Narnia. Marami siyang layers to it, so I highly recommend it. Local book that I'm reading is Tikim by Doreen Fernandez.
Thank you for making time today. So I'm Katie from Bookbed. Ria and I are co-presenting this for Davao Book Club. I'm also from Silent Book Club Davao. Catching Fire Podcast. Talaga siya, I use the word game changer. I have so many recommendations, but I will always love Filipino authored works. Our stories need to be told and to be read and to be enjoyed by somebody.
The Capital or the Mockingjay. Miss Jana, grabe yung name, di ba? Five each, let's start. Go! What is the name of Katniss' sister?
6.
Okay, done na.
Okay.
Ito kailangan ng timer.
Kailangan ng timer. 5.
Book 1 is in one iteration of the Hunger
2,
Games.
1. Mark. Mark the tiebreaker na ba?
Pero sa tiebreaker para manghila sila. 2 points each from the book. Name the tribute and their district. 1 point for the district, 1 point for the name.
Oh my God!
First picture, what? Let's go.
10, 9, 8.
Okay, end of the movie round.
Okay, the capital is B. So the capital has 9 points and Mockingjay has 6. 6 more.
So for this round, it could be anybody's game kasi 5 points per question. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, let's go back to the book.
How many seconds to answer?
Is it still one per
15 para
What is
masaya.
it?
First book, 15 seconds per question. Before the 74 number games, how many victors did District 12 have? What is the name of Tita's stylist?
10.
Yes, Portia. Ayan na! Ito na yung turning point nila.
Yes. Wait, tayo na sila.
Oh, ayan na. This is it.
Gusto mo ba sila pahirapan?
Yes.
Gusto niyo bang makabawi?
Yes.
Okay. Bigyan natin kayo ng chance.
Ba yan? For 2 points, guys.
Ano ba yan?
1 point each. Fill in the blanks to.
Nice!
Okay, 30 seconds to answer as many blanks as you can.
What? Hindi ko na alam.
20 seconds to go. 10, 9,
Wait lang.
'This is what practice sang when
Yeah, I remember that.
3, 2 points something.
What? Hindi na
I 1 point then dapat. 1.
Actually, mahulaan yung iba based on context.
Bonus 5 seconds.
Okay, let's see the answers.
Hindi ko alam.
Mamutay lahat.
Name in the middle.
Meadow,
Mundi. Moon. Wala. Nalo na kami.
Congratulations.
Nagbunga ang pagpapanik reviewing.
Yes.